Hello and welcome back to English Shadowing Stories. Today, we're going to do something special. We're not just repeating words, we are building your future. The question is, where do you see yourself this year? In this lesson, we will practice the phrase, I see myself. We will learn the grammar, the meaning, and the pronunciation. Are you ready? Let's begin. Before we practice, look at the pattern. We say, I see myself doing something. Notice the ing. We do not say, I see myself go. We say, I see myself going. This grammar structure helps you visualize the action happening right now in your mind. It makes your dream feel real. Keep this rule in your head as we practice. Let's start with your health. Listen to the first sentence closely. I see myself getting stronger every day. Did you hear getting? This means it is a process. It happens step by step. Now listen again and visualize your body becoming strong. I see myself getting stronger every day. Now repeat after me aloud. I see myself getting stronger every day. Excellent. Let's try the next one. I see myself eating healthy food. Imagine a fresh salad or fruit in your hands. Feel the energy. Repeat after me slowly. I see myself eating healthy food. One more for health. I see myself sleeping peacefully at night. Peacefully means calmly, without stress. Repeat after me. I see myself sleeping peacefully at night. Now, let's look at your work and goals. Listen first. I see myself enjoying my work. Many people hate their work, but you see yourself enjoying it. This is a positive mindset. Let's practice this feeling. Repeat after me. I see myself enjoying my work. Next sentence. I see myself learning new skills. Maybe it is Photoshop or coding or English. Visualizing new skills opens doors for you. Repeat after me clearly. I see myself learning new skills. And the last one for career, I see myself being organized and calm. Notice we use being. I see myself being organized. Try to say it with confidence. Repeat. I see myself being organized and calm. Let's dream a little bigger. Travel and freedom. Listen. I see myself exploring a new city. Exploring is a beautiful word. It means walking around and discovering new things. Close your eyes for a second. Imagine a new street. Okay, now open your eyes and say it. I see myself exploring a new city. Next, I see myself making new friends abroad. Abroad means in a different country. Imagine smiling and shaking hands. Repeat after me. I see myself making new friends abroad. Finally, let's talk about your English. This is very important. I see myself speaking without fear. Fear stops many people, but in your vision, the fear is gone. Say it loudly. I see myself speaking without fear. I see myself understanding native speakers. Imagine watching a movie and understanding everything. How does that feel? It feels great. Repeat after me. I see myself understanding native speakers. We have practiced many sentences. Now I have a challenge for you. I want you to create your own vision. Fill in the blank. I see myself blank this year. Remember the rule. Use the ing form. Examples: buying a car, starting a business, getting married. Think about it. Now, write your sentence in the comments below. I will read them and correct your grammar if needed. You did a great job today. Visualization is powerful. When you say it and when you feel it, it becomes possible. Listen to this video every morning for 1 week. Change your mindset, change your life. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English practice. I believe in you. See you in the next video.